my name is Brooke Spradley, and I interned at ByGeorge, which is a multi-luxury brand retailer here in Austin, Texas, and I was their buying and e-commerce intern. My responsibilities included processing shipment, doing organizational tasks, using systems such as Excel and Shopify, and helping out with photo shoots. I found this internship through their website, and I called their headquarters to get some emails. I emailed them all of my information, and they accepted me a couple weeks later without interviews, so the turnaround was pretty quick. I would say that the thing that I most enjoyed was getting to learn about the different brands that we carried, which is super informative. And the three most important things I learned was being personable, having initiative, and being confident in my task that I was doing. And my advice to future interns is shoot for something that seems scary, but it might be super rewarding.